everyone, this is Fantech 104, and today we are riding the C train. We're taking this to, what station? Oh yeah, 50th Street Station. We are on a Bud R32. That game will not work down here. I got service now. This is the oldest train on the subway system.
Why does this not work?
Because there's no service. It's okay, it's very safe. Say hi, guys! Alright. C, 8th Avenue, Fulton. Here we are at 72nd. 50th. Oops. Say hi, Sammy. Here's 72nd Street. 2 more stops. No door chimes on this train.
Not much of anything on this train.
Yeah, this is the oldest train on the whole subway system. It has in service. This is from the 60s. This car got renovated in the 80s. Here we go. Columbus Circle, next stop. Here's what the train looks like. Now they run both new and old trains on this line. So it's possible you could get a new train back, but it's possible we get this back too. They run both. R160s and R32s. Oh, I love the subway. And the camera's not going to focus. Are not air conditioned. The R160s are. I just noticed that.
What?
The R160s are air conditioned, but not the R32s. It must be off right now. 59th Street, Columbus Circle.
What?
This is not the next station. There's the D train. Oh, focus camera. I'm not gonna film. There's the D train over there. I'm gonna watch the doors close. Stand clear of the closing doors. Watch this, no door chime.
They're saying they don't invest their pricing during peak hours.
Alright. Now this train's taking forever. Oh yeah, this is a busy station.
So much better.
Are we being held again? I guess the train. Stand clear of the closing doors. Here we go.
That's fine. That's not part of the act, though.
No door chimes. Next stop is ours.
Okay. I ordered on my phone.
Here we go.
Don't worry about paying the driver. I don't have to worry about tipping the driver. Don't worry. I know where we're going. He knows the route. It's better than taxi for everybody.
new trains, you can't do that. You can still go. Right. By the new trains, you can't do that anymore. Right. Here's our stop. 50th Street. Come on, guys. 50th Street. Come on, Sammy. We're getting off.